Hey guys, this is Praveen. Welcome back to this new video. And if you're new to this channel, I am Praveen doing tech and coding stuff in this channel. And remember to subscribe and click that bell icon so that you'll never miss any of my updates. So let's get started. And in this video, we'll see a LeetCode problem named rotate list, in which we gonna rotate a linked list instead of a simple array. So let's get started with the algorithm that we're gonna use to solve this problem. And after that, we'll implement it using Python. So you can see the picture right now. There are five nodes and they are linked together using the next pointers, and there are data in all the five nodes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And first the head is the, you can see the first node, it's a head. And what we gonna do is the first step we gonna do to rotate the list is we are linking the tail of the linked list to the head of the linked list and making it as a circular linked list. That is what we gonna do first. And after that, a couple of steps we can do to rotate the list. This is the algorithm that we gonna use. So first we gonna iterate through the list, and we are getting the tail of the linked list, and we are linking it to the head like this. We are first iterating through the list 3, 4, and 5, and linking this fifth node to the head again with this code you can see below, like a node dot next, like a node dot next equal to head, which is like linking the tail node to the head, which will be like look like this after linking. And now it's a circular linked list. As you can see, all the nodes are linked together in a circle manner, and we can visualize it like this. So currently we are in this node, like the fifth node, the blue color node, and we are just moving forward like two times. It's like three times, and we are at the third node when considering the first initial linked list that we are given. And now the two steps that we're gonna do importantly to rotate the list. So first step is to doing that current node, like this node, to and changing it to head, like it's a new head we are, and I changed it to the head. And the second step is the unlinking the last node, like this node that heads before node. We are unlinking this from that head so that it will become again a simply linked list from a circular linked list. It's no longer a circular linked list again. So we are unlinking that by setting it to none, like pointing it to none. So yeah, now it's a singly linked list and it's rotated right side about two times. Yeah. So first of all, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now it looks like 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2. Yeah. So it rotated. So this is what the algorithm that we're gonna use. So let's get started with the implementation using Python. So we are the implementation part, and first step we are doing is checking the linked list that is it empty or not. Like if not head, if it's empty, we are just returning nothing. Yeah, it's a base case, and we are having a count variable, and it's initialized to 0, which is used to finding the length of linked list. Actually it's set to 1 because we are stopping at the end of the linked list, not completing it. So it starts with 1. And then we are having a node variable which is temporary storage, like we are storing a head to it, and we are iterating through the list, like node not next is not none. If it's not none, the while loop will go, and if it's none, it will stop. And we are changing the instance to node not next every time, and we are incrementing the count by 1. So node not next, it is set to head. By this, we are linking that tail node to the head node, and we are making it a circular linked list. And now we are having to move variable, like how many times we have to move, but it's actually not k times, because we are moving a right side. If we are given a left side, we may choose k, like we can keep directly as k. Since we are moving it right side by 2, it differs because we are moving forward and doing a forward operation. So we have to calculate with the equation like this, like a count minus k modulo count, like this. So by using this, we are moving forward, like rotating the list. So we are using a while loop here to move the list, and we are decrementing like to move to by 1, and the condition is like until the to move function becomes 0, like a to move variable becomes 0, and we are decrementing here by 1, and we are changing every time the node to the next node. Currently the node is the last node, like before the head. So after that, we are just changing the node to the node next every time the loop runs. And we are at that 2 steps, we have to change that new head, like the current head till next, like to head, and we are having a new head like this. In that picture, it's the third node. And now we are at the second step, which is unlinking that last node from the list, so that it will change it to again to the singly linked list. So for that, we are doing like a node not next will be set to none. So this code will do that, which means unlinking that node from the linked list, and we are changing it to a singly linked list as before, and we are now returning that head again. So we can check the code by clicking run code, and we are having a sample test case to pass. Yeah, it passed the sample test case that is given, and we are having the answer, and we can submit it to test the all test cases. Yeah, it passed all the test cases. So we are at the end of the video. So thanks for watching. If you have any queries and any suggesting videos, you can let me know in comments. And if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon right next to the subscribe button, so you will never miss any of my updates. So thanks for watching.